See the algorithm and implementation of the algorithm. See the continuation with the output. Now let us see deletion operation. Deletion refers to removing an existing element from the array and reorganizing all elements of an array. Algorithm. Consider LA is a linear array with n elements and k is a positive integer such that k is lesser than or equal to n. Below is the algorithm to delete an element available at the kth position of LA. See the algorithm. See the algorithm and implementation of the algorithm. See the output. Now let us see search operation. You can perform a search for array element based on its value or its index. Algorithm. Consider LA is a linear array with n elements and k is a positive integer such that k is lesser than or equal to n. Below is the algorithm to find an element with a value of item using sequential search. See the algorithm and implementation of the algorithm. See the continuation with output. Now let us see update operation. Update operation refers to updating an existing element from the array at a given index. Algorithm. Consider LA is a linear array with n elements and k is a positive integer such that k is lesser than or equal to n. Below is the algorithm to update an element available at the kth position of LA. See the algorithm and implementation with output. See the continuation of the output. Now let us see multidimensional arrays. C programming language allows multidimensional arrays. Here is the general form of multidimensional array declaration. For example, the following declaration creates a three-dimensional integer array. See the figure. Two-dimensional arrays. The simplest form of a multidimensional array is the two-dimensional array. A two-dimensional array is in essence a list of one-dimensional arrays. To declare a two-dimensional integer array of size x, y, you would write something as follows. See the figure, where type can be any valid C data type and array name will be a valid C identifier. A two-dimensional array can be considered as a table which will have x number of rows and y number of columns. A two-dimensional array A which contains 3 rows and 4 columns can be shown as below. See the figure. Thus, every element in the array A is identified by an element name of the format ij, where A is the name of the array and I and j are the subscripts that uniquely identify each element in A. Now let us see initializing two-dimensional arrays. Multidimensional arrays may be initialized by specifying bracketed values for each row. Following is an array with 3 rows and each row has 4 columns. See the figure. The nested braces which indicate the intended row are optional. The following initialization is equivalent to the previous example. See the figure. Assessing two-dimensional array elements. An element in a two-dimensional array is assessed by using the subscripts, that is row index and column index of the array. For example, see the figure. The above statement will take the 4th element from the 3rd row of the array. You can verify it in the above figure. Let us check the following program where we have used a nested loop to handle two-dimensional array. See the figure. See the continuation of the program with output. Now let us see applications of arrays. Arrays are used to implement mathematical vectors and matrices as well as other kinds of rectangular tables. Many databases, small and large, consist of or include one-dimensional arrays whose elements are records. Arrays are used to implement other data structures such as heaps, hash tables, DQs, queues, stacks, strings, and lists. One or more larger arrays are sometimes used to emulate in program dynamic memory allocation, particularly memory pool allocation. Historically, this has sometimes been the only way to allocate dynamic memory portably. Arrays can be used to determine partial or complete control flow in programs as a compact alternative to otherwise repetitive multiple if statements. They are known in this context as control tables and are used in conjunction with a purpose-built interpreter whose control flow is altered according to the values contained in the array.